Another day, another story. Neuralink, a promising solution for Alzheimer's disease treatment. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive neurodegenerative disorder characterized by the decline of cognitive functions, including memory, language, and problem-solving skills. The disease affects more than 50 million people worldwide, with an increasing prevalence due to the aging global population. Current treatments focus on symptom management and temporarily improving cognitive function. However, these treatments do not address the underlying causes of the disease or stop its progression. Neuralink, a cutting-edge brain-computer interface technology, has the potential to revolutionize Alzheimer's disease treatment by targeting the disease's root causes and restoring cognitive function. Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk in 2016, is a company dedicated to developing advanced brain-computer interface technologies. The goal of Neuralink is to create a high-bandwidth, minimally invasive neural interface that can allow direct communication between the brain and external devices. This technology could have wide-ranging applications, from treating neurological disorders to enhancing human cognitive abilities. The Neuralink device consists of flexible, ultra-thin electrode threads that are implanted into the brain to read and stimulate neural activity, allowing for direct interaction with the brain's circuitry. Potential application in Alzheimer's disease treatment. Alzheimer's disease leads to the degeneration of neurons and synapses, causing a decline in cognitive function. Neuralink could potentially restore lost connections by stimulating specific neural circuits, improving communication between neurons and mitigating cognitive decline. Neuralink may help enhance memory in Alzheimer's patients by facilitating the encoding, storage, and retrieval of information. The device could be used to stimulate specific brain areas involved in memory formation and retrieval, thereby improving memory function. Neuralink may help slow Alzheimer's disease progression by targeting the accumulation of amyloid beta plaques and tau protein tangles, two hallmarks of the disease. By stimulating specific neural pathways, Neuralink could promote the clearance of these toxic proteins and reduce neuronal damage. Personalized treatment. Neuralink's ability to monitor and modulate brain activity in real time allows for personalized treatment plans based on individual needs. By continuously monitoring a patient's brain activity, physicians can adjust the stimulation parameters to optimize treatment outcomes. Challenges and limitations. Despite its potential, Neuralink faces several challenges and limitations. The long-term safety and efficacy of the device are yet to be established, as implanting electrodes into the brain can pose risks, such as infection and tissue damage. Additionally, the ethical implications of using brain-computer interfaces for cognitive enhancement and other applications must be carefully considered. Neuralink holds promise as a revolutionary treatment option for Alzheimer's disease by targeting the root causes of the disease and restoring cognitive function. However, further research and clinical trials are needed to establish the safety, efficacy, and ethical implications of using this technology in the treatment of Alzheimer's and other neurodegenerative disorders. With continued advancement in brain-computer interface technology, Neuralink could potentially change the lives of millions affected by Alzheimer's disease, offering hope for a brighter future. Thanks for watching.